Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to deactivate Airbnb account. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Next, on this page, you will see an option that says Log In and Security. Click on Log In and Security. Next, scroll down to the bottom of this page. Under Account, you will see a text that says Deactivate your account. Beside it is an option that says Deactivate. Click on Deactivate. You will then be asked the reason that prompted you to deactivate. Click on the option that applies to you. Then click on Continue. Lastly, confirm your deactivation. To continue, click on Deactivate Account. That's how you deactivate your Airbnb account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.